Okay, very good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Someone was asking how can they file their nil returns, and today I'm going to show you step-by-step procedure how you can file your returns using a laptop or your computer, as well as using your smartphone. Now, so when you see this one, you need first to log in to your iTax portal. So you simply search itax.kra.go.ke and you will be redirected to this page. This is my dashboard. So we have home registration. This is where you can apply some stuff there. Returns, that's where you will need to file your returns. Payments, we have assessment disputes, refund certificates. If you need to print your maybe withholding certificate, withholding VAT certificate cancellation, etc. Useful links, if you want to reprint your acknowledgement receipt after you filed your returns, this is where you'll be clicking, then you'll get the certificate receipt. Now, so for nil returns, it is very simple, unlike the employed with P9. So if you have P9 or you are employed, you will need to click this one, file returns, because when you click on nil returns, you'll be told you have an income. Maybe you need to put the exact amount of money you received that previous year so that you can successfully file your returns. Now, so for nil returns, you'll add here file nil returns. So when you click that, you'll be redirected here. You can see my taxpayer PIN, then tax application. Tax application, you select resident individual, then you click yes, next. This is the next page where you'll be redirected. So you have a personal identification number, that's your PIN. For spouse, you just leave it the way it is. Return period from 1st January 2025 to that 1st December 2025. So I'm going to click this one. Do you own rental property? I'm going to click on no. So when you submit, you get this one. Dear taxpayer, filing no returns or nil returns is only applicable in case where you have no transaction to declare for that period. That is the period of that fiscal year, that previous fiscal year, that is the previous year. So you click yes. So when you click yes, you are done. That is how simple it is. And this is your receipt. Click here to download your receipt, and you can see my returns have been filed successfully. Now, so if you are using your mobile phone, you will log into this dashboard, then you long press these returns. You make sure the cursor is somewhere like maybe debit and enforcement, then you long press on returns, and this list will appear when you will select your file nil returns and continue to file your returns. So be sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe and also share so that we can reach many people, and as well as you give us the energy to make more videos like this. See you until next time. Bye.